Hey everybody, Mr. Sykes here again. I woke up this morning and you know what I thought about last week? We reviewed, or we need to review first, the numbers that we did last week. You remember those numbers that we did? We did 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I haven't erased those videos. If you want to go back and check on those videos to review them, you can do that in your spare time. I think it'd be fun. But today, I woke up and I thought, wow, I can't wait to get to school and make videos for our VIPs because today we're starting on the number 6. And I thought about the first thing, all right, number 6, what can I do to show the number 6? First thing I thought about was, hey, let's draw a picture. So if you want to pause it, go get your dry erase board, maybe a piece of paper, your marker, and come on back because we're going to have some fun. All right, you ready? All right. The first thing I thought about was I'm going to draw a picture of something I love. And I love outer space. I love make-believe. You remember in your videos when we're doing reading, we're doing the fiction false. Right, exactly. Make-believe. Well, one of the things I like to make believe and talk about is alien monsters. And so I thought about the number 6, and here's my alien monster. All right? Can you see something that has 6 on it? What do you think? Yeah, count those eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyes on my monster. And what? You're right. There are 6 teeth here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teeth. So that's fun. So if you want to, take time today, tomorrow, anytime, and draw something that you really like. You know, we've been talking about apples and reading, and we've been talking about trees. Draw 6 trees or draw 6 apples. Now, let's think about something else. Oh, if we want to talk about the number 6, we need to know how to write the number 6, correct? I think so. So, I'm going to show you the number 6 first. Let's show you the numeral. There's the number 6. And how do you write the number 6? Where do you start? Well, when I was in school, my teachers always taught me you start at the top on any number or any letter. So let's start at the top. And we go around, make a loop. There's your number 6 right there. Takes a little practice. Start at the top, come around to the bottom, back to the middle, loop. There's your number 6 right there. So have fun and practice that. Practice, practice, practice makes perfect, perfect, perfect. That's what my teachers always told me. And I always went home and practiced. I love writing. I love making letters and numbers. So I hope you do too. Now, the next thing I thought about was, hey, we've been using our fingers a lot. So what does the number 6 look like on fingers? Well, guess what? We have to use both hands because one hand has how many fingers? 5. 5 and 1 more is 6. 5 and 1 more is 6. I like that. What about something you've got at home? I hope you have your 10 frame because look at this. I got my 10 frame out and I want to make the number 6. Well, guess what? Well, we're using the 10 frame. Watch what happens. We all know that if you fill up the top row, that's 5. So what did we just say with our fingers? 5 and 1 more makes 6. So there on our 10 frame, we got 5 on the top, 1 more makes 6. All right, something else I think about, and we haven't talked in my class a lot, but I think you should. It's making tally marks because that's just a good way to count things. If I have a lot of things I have to count, and I don't want to lose my number or lose how many I've counted, I use tally marks. So here's my tally marks for the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more makes what? 6. Good job. I'm just going to write my number 6 just to practice it. 6 tally marks right there. I love it. That's fun. All right, another way to make the number 6 is with a number line. Now, if you don't have a number line, or if you do, look at it right. You might want to pull that out. You want to pause it, go get your number line, or we can just use mine, whichever one. All right, you ready? Let's go ahead and go to the number line. We start with the number line. Every number line starts the same. It starts with a 0, but we don't really count the 0. But we have to have the 0 when we're counting up to a new number because watch what happens. We start with nothing. So when we're counting up, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we are at the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 humps. That's what I say. And it's kind of like you're hopping from one number to another number, like a frog on a lily pads in a pond. All right, so that's our number line with the number 6. What about the word 6? That is going to be even better. So we've got the number 6 here, the numeral 6. That's what we call when we look at it. That is a numeral. When we're counting, it's called a number. But if we're just looking at the picture, the number itself, that's called a numeral. A new vocabulary word. So let's write the number 6. Or let's write the word 6. How would we do it? So here, Miss Cole and Miss Sumners, how would they do that? Oh, that's the sound for an S. Let me see. That's an I, right? S-I. Now the last X. Oh, X. That's an X. There we go. You've got the word 6. S-I-X, 6. Fun, huh? All right, so, and guess what? If you have any number cubes, we call them dice. I call them number cubes. Guess what? You've got the number 6 right there. 5 and one more makes 6. Wow, we have counted so many ways to make the number 6. Do we have anything else? Sure. If you have any dominoes at home, guess what? You've got the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the number 6 for you boys and girls. Now, be sure to watch the video, Jack Hartman's video on number 6. It's going to be next to our video, so you want to click on that and watch that for Jack Hartman's video. Right now, though, here's what I want us to do. Miss Zurich is going to come over. She's got a sheet that she's going to show you that we're going to do in class, so I want y'all to do it at home. You don't have the paper, but you are going to have Miss Zurich here so that you can pause your video and do it on your dry erase board. Hey, Miss Zurich.
Hey! I hope y'all have fun with Mr. Sykes. Today, I'm going to show you how we do this in class. I hope you can see it. All right. You have your 10 frame, and you have some counters in your 10 frame. We're going to count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to write the number 3 right here on our lines, or you do it on your dry erase board. All right, let's do another one together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, the number you just learned. Let's practice writing that. All right, we're going to do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to write the number 5. Down and around and a hat on top. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video. I want you to count the 10 frames and then practice writing your number. And I want you to also practice counting all the way to 25. That's what we want to do by the end of this 9 weeks, is be able to count to 25. So every day in class, we're practicing that. I want you to practice it at home too and continue practicing writing